Sensya na kayo. Okay. Yeah, again, now after that made 3-point shot by Lastimosa, no? In the overtime, it took away momentarily the spirit from us. No? I was already thinking, nananalo kami, iniisip ko na nung Ateneo, mag-iisip na ako, no? But then that shot came in. So parang ang hirap ibalik na lumaban pa ulit tayo for the first next 5 minutes. But you know, these guys just refuse to give up. You know, like Juan, Paul here, Brad, they were just too tired. But you know, when I saw the opponent, they were also tired. I told them this is going to be a grind out game. So whoever wants to win this more is going to make it. You know? And we had some very good shots from both of them. But again, that was just, you know, if you're going to make a telenovela, how are you going to make it better than that? You already won it, then parang iniisip mo, how can you win it better? You know, with the overtime win. So I'm just happy to be in the finals, no. And again, we were able to do this with the guys that I have in here.
Coach, you had a foul to give before nung 3-pointer nila. May instruction ko ba to give that foul?
Yeah, in fact, yung first possession na naagaw ni Paul, that was supposedly the first instance that they should give a foul, no? But then again, the clock was winding down, and I could understand their hesitation of giving a foul because they were in the Lastimosa was in a 3-point area, no? So mahirap naman ma-foul siya doon. So yeah, there was instruction, no 3-point shots. We have a foul to give, but then you know sometimes it happens that way, and we're blessed to have this kind of win. Walang play yun, no? Nasa kanya lang talaga yun, nakapal talaga mukha nito. Gusto niya lang talaga na akuin eh. Kung nakikita mo naman yung dami niyang mintis nung before that, pero alam niya na for the win, aakuin niya na, no? Siya laging nagsasabi na kaya pa natin to, wag tayong magduda, okay, even with one, and nakita mo yung pagod na ni Bright, but then again, you have to, sabi ko nga, when you want to go in a place like this, you have to, this is not an easy place. The road is not easy going here, so you have to find the courage, you have to find the skills, the talents, and the persistence to be in a place like this that we are enjoying right now. It wasn't an easy journey, but it's all worth it.
Especially nung free throw ka, nag-murmur ka, atin mo. Problema ka.
Actually.
Yung last week kasi, pumunta ako sa office ni Boston. Nakwento niya sa akin, doon ako nag-stop. Sabi niya sa akin last week na, sabi, diba, kahit anong mangyari, kahit down ka man, o ano, huwag kang susuko. Dahil may magandang mapupuntahan ka kung hindi ka sumili.
Yung shot na yun, bitaw mo.
Siyempre, ito.
Ikaw lang yung 3 out of 20 na, di ba? Kailangan i-shoot niya pa in the end. Naging 4 out of 20 na siya.
Marami yung masaya.
Oo, tama.
Coach, this first time in 13 years that you be to this, dami na ito ginaanan itong school, this, and then, nasa kayo, finals kayo, okay, diba?
alam mo, before all of this, no, yung, napakaraming magagandang articles dito na, let's say, how this team had united a fractured community and all that. Ang burden kasi is not just about winning the game. It's all about making an impact to a community that number one is very hungry for winning and parang alam mo na yung for 30 years in a butt of joke, no? Walang bragging right. Oh, malakas yung team namin sa basketball in any aspect of our society. Merong taga-UP na nasa politics, sa business, judiciary and all of that. Pero pagdating sa basketball talagang kulelat si UP. Kaya kung makikita mo, nagkakaroon sila ngayon ng parang isang bragging right at the same time parang a moment that could unite them in parang in a way na ay pwede tayong magsama-sama dito kahit magkaiba-iba tayo ng paniniwala sa politika, sa kahit saan man.
For one naman, with the first, you're already there for going in your pero for the NBA, hindi ka nila wala na
Well, I think that was really good. So I stayed in post and did that defense.
You were visibly tired in the game, especially the overtime. How did you fight through that? How did you fight through the pain?
For me, I had to go having all the choice. All I wanted to do was to help the team win whichever way I can. So I just had to play through it.
About the matchup with Papi? How painful was it?
I really know. The whole thing was how we get to know.
Thank you. Coach, if you want, in a few days na lang, South Ateneo na. So, I'm sure you're gonna stay with us for the second season. How do you attend Ateneo? Ateneo. What do you think?
Well, kanina medyo hindi ko pa mabigyan ng details yung pagpaplano against Ateneo, no, because we've been very busy against Adamson. But no basketball aficionado in his right mind would probably give us a good chance against Ateneo. But then again, we would want that. No? We would want the tag that UP doesn't stand a chance against Ateneo. But there is something that we do that's going to keep us going forward, looking into that championship game against Ateneo, and we know that we could take something from that, the courage, you know, the resilience, our feeling that we need to keep moving, we need to keep fighting, no matter what the odds are, and that has been our team principle in this season.
On a personal note, dumating ka sa UP, you win. Ngayon, ikaw yung nagdala sa final.
Sobrang siya. Ano ba yung chance na
For the team, it was do or die up until this point na yung up against Ateneo. What does that say you guys were able to pull out wins and do the situation over and over?
Yeah. Well, it gives us a semblance of confidence in ourselves that despite of what we have, despite of the mismatches and all of those that we have experienced, if we can be resilient and we can still pursue our dream of winning. You know? We won in the first knockout game against Adamson. We won the first before the overtime. Okay, ito ngayon nag-overtime. So ang daming knockouts na pinagdaanan namin, and that should make us better going into the Ateneo game. And that is not to say that they don't have a huge advantage against us, but that is something that we could carry on going into the championship game.
Kanina, I think ito yata yung pinanood ko na napakaraming UP crowd. At
well, hindi pa ako pinapanganak ng 1986, pero siguro marami din. Kami hindi pa 1986. So, hindi ko nakita yung 1986 na championship crown. So, but then again, looking at them, no, sabi ni Paul, pagbalik niya, sabi niya, Coach, talo tayo sa crowd. Sabi ko, bakit? Sabi niya, matatanda yung crowd natin, mga bata yung Adamson. Napaka-energetic, sigaw ng sigaw. Sabi niya, atin, sabi niya, katunganga din, matatanda. Sabi niya, mga alumni natin yan. So, ngayon naman, nung medyo tumayo rin kahit matanda, no? Kaya, umingay na rin. Namaos na rin yung mga alumni namin, from the ages.
Coach Bo, can you talk about the contributions ni Tungkab, Haboneta, Dario, and Prado in this game?
Well, yesterday I stopped the practice because it was kind of anemic. I was telling them that if we're going to the first that we need in order for us to win against Adamson is my bench. I need them to step up because if it's just going to be Paul, Juan, Bright, June, it's not going to work. And my coaches, they told me, Coach, they've been there. Most especially Diego Tungkab was a revelation, and I know that a lot of them are still going to step up going into this championship game.
Okay.
It will be a good game. Just have to stop the shooters, play good defense from center. So really positions. For me, like I always say, it's just basketball. You just have to go out there and give it our best. But that's all we have to do.
Kaya pala sa akin.
Okay.
Kung ano man chance namin, i-grab mo namin.
Thank you.
Thank you.